Hi. Welcome. I am JT Subham, and here we are going to learn about strike and dip of a dipping surface. The strike and dip are very important in structural geology because they describe the orientation of rock layers, faults, or other planar features. Strike is the direction of the line formed by the intersection of an inclined surface with a horizontal plane. In simple terms, if you imagine slicing the inclined surface with a perfectly horizontal plane, the line of intersection between the two is called the strike line. To make this clearer, let's consider an inclined surface as shown here. When a horizontal plane intersects the surface, a line of intersection is formed here, and is the strike of the inclined surface. Always remember, the strike is a horizontal line lying on the inclined plane. Strike is measured as an angle from geographic north, n0 degree, clockwise, up to 360 degrees. For example, take a reference point where north is along this direction. If you measure clockwise to the strike line, and it falls at 150 degrees, then the strike is written conventionally as n 150 degrees. Dip refers to the maximum angle of inclination of the surface with respect to the horizontal. It always occurs in a direction perpendicular to the strike, which is known as the dip direction. Suppose, dip direction is along this line, that means it is perpendicular to the strike. The dip direction is the compass direction towards which the surface is inclined and is also measured clockwise from geographic north, from 0 degree to 360 degrees. For example, n 60 degrees. The value of dip itself is the angle between the inclined surface and the horizontal, measured in the dip direction. For instance, if the surface is tilted at 50 degrees, we say the dip is 50 degrees towards n 60 degrees. So, to sum up, strike tells us the direction of a horizontal line on the plane, and dip tells us how steeply and in which direction the plane is inclined. In the next video, we'll learn how to actually measure strike and dip in the field. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.